These are the wires for double circuits in the utility box. Hook up neutral wire into silver terminal of the electrical plug. Hook up ground wire from the utility box to the green terminal of electric plug. Remove the link of the brass terminal for electrical plug. Hook up black and red wires into the brass terminals of the electrical plug. Install the electrical plug into the utility box and put the cover. Turn on circuit number 1. There's 126.8 volts reading right now. Turn on circuit number 2. There's a reading of 127.8 volts.